Welcome to a new era of digital wellness with FV Lifecare Private Limited. In today's world, seamless healthcare management is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. That's precisely the gap FV Lifecare bridges. As we open our official website, fvlifecare.com, you're greeted by a platform meticulously crafted for the modern healthcare professional: doctors, gym trainers, and dietitians. The homepage immediately sets the stage for a healthier future, showcasing subscription plans and direct access to expert profiles. Notice how easily anyone can request a free, personalized diet chart delivered straight to their inbox. This is more than a website, it's a dynamic ecosystem connecting wellness experts with those seeking their guidance, all through one unified digital gateway. User login and dashboard. Let's step inside. Logging in is effortless. With just a click, you can access your account using your Google credentials or a simple email sign-up. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by your personalized dashboard. The interface is intuitively organized. On the left, a clean navigation menu puts every essential tool at your fingertips. From a quick overview to dedicated sections for consultation, prescription, diet charts, and session notes. For this demonstration, we will follow the journey of a doctor creating a digital prescription from start to finish, showcasing how FV Lifecare streamlines this critical process. Consultation tab. Our first stop is the Consultation tab. Here, your scheduled appointments are neatly listed, providing a clear overview of your day. This centralized view allows you to manage your schedule effectively and access patient details instantly. Let's select a user, Vikas Chauhan, who has booked an appointment, and guide him through the process of creating his first digital prescription. Prescription section. Navigating to the Prescription tab, we arrive at the heart of digital clinical management. With the Create New Prescription screen open, we are ready to compile a comprehensive medical record in a matter of minutes. This is where efficiency meets patient care. Filling patient information. Let's begin with the patient's core information. We enter the name, Vikas Chauhan, his email, ages 28, and gender. With these foundational details in place, we move to the clinical section. Under symptoms, we note cough, fever, and sneezing. The diagnosis is confirmed as fever and common cold. And for advice, we recommend using warm water for drinking and avoiding cold water and iced drinks. This structured approach ensures that no critical detail is overlooked, making the transition to paperless practice not just smooth but clinically robust. Adding medicines demonstration. Now we proceed to the core of the prescription, the medication. A crucial reminder: the following is for demonstration purposes only. This is not an authentic prescription. Always consult with a qualified medical professional before taking any medication. We will now add the medicines. First, Monter LC. The dosage is 1 tablet once daily for 5 days. We add specific notes. After meals before sleeping at night. Second, Paracetamol. 1 tablet 3 times daily for 5 days. Notes: after meals. Third, Vicks Vapor Rub. Application instructions are to apply on the chest and neck before sleeping once daily for 3 days. We also add a supplementary note: also take steam for relief. And fourth, Benadryl cough syrup. 1 teaspoon twice daily for 5 days. Notes: after meals. To ensure continuous care, we can set a follow-up date. This schedules the patient's next consultation directly from the prescription. With all details accurately entered, we simply click on Generate Prescription. Generated prescription view. And instantly FV Lifecare works its magic. A professional, ready-to-use digital prescription is generated, displaying all the information in a clean, formal layout. It includes the doctor's details, the patient's information, and the complete list of prescribed medicines with their instructions. If any field displays NA, it simply indicates that a profile needs a quick update with the complete information. This intelligent system ensures clarity and professionalism. The doctor can now download, print, or share this prescription PDF directly with the patient via email or message, eliminating paperwork, reducing errors, and saving invaluable time. Closing message and future tutorials. And there you have it. Creating a precise, professional, and digital prescription is that straightforward with FV Lifecare. This is just the beginning. We invite you to become part of this healthcare revolution. Visit FELifecare.com today to manage your patients, craft personalized diet charts, and run your entire practice from one seamless platform. For any queries, you can reach out to us at +91 996852 5963. If this demonstration was helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned as we will be releasing dedicated tutorials for dietitians and gym trainers, showcasing how they can leverage their unique dashboards to enhance their services.